little bit slower. And then the rhythm was all good. And when you see the trill, I think what you've done is good. We just keep make it like a short, like a mordant.
Yeah.
I think that's good. Yeah. Okay. Your importance will be on the richer sound on the bass. Which fingering are you using for the right hand? You can usually it's like 1-3. But you can change the 1-4 when it gets like octave different. And then when we have the trill part, that the fourth finger can be a little bit tricky. I think I like that better. So something that it can be end with the 3-4 here. Yeah, tone with yes, tone after 2. So we kind of like clear the way a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And then end of that the section 2-2. Could you show me the finger in the right hand? Yeah, I think that's very clear. Good. And in the section 2, I think we need to be careful not to speed up. So it's like a small note, so we tend to go a little bit faster, but try to keep in the steady tempo.
Yeah.
And then that same caver moved down to the left hand on the section 3. Shall we go from there? The fingering there on the right hand. I think sliding can work better. For the tone, not to join that when you see the dotted crochet, so sing out a little more. The here A, B can join, but take off here. Then you can join here. And I think on that B, you can place by the fourth finger, so you can go all the way up to, and then turn. Smoother line there. Section 6, there will be quite a bit of lever change.
Okay.
So when you see M, so for example on the section 6-2 ending, when you have MD, that means you are playing this one by the right hand, so you can do the lever here. Good. And in section 8, we have triplet there, so try to keep the right hand light as possible, but we still need to make the really clean sound. So we kind of like control the pressure on the fingertip, but we don't necessarily go like quite long with the articulations. It's very short articulation. This, yeah, good. And that triplet is moving. I think that similar thing happens on the section 12 on the right hand. The fingering wise, I think it's better to just keep it the same fingering 3-1 all the time, even though maybe you can do something with the alternative fingering there, but I think that's better the fingering wise, but you can try a few different ways. Good. And then that triplet is moving down to the left hand on section 13. Same thing, we want to make a clean sound, but it has to be light, so keep in mind with it. And then the ending shouldn't be a big issue. It's just like the scale with the lever changes for the melodic minor. But yeah.